give you this one. Hello, Quokka. So that's the animal native to this island. Yeah, you cannot touch them, you cannot feed them, so he cannot eat sneaker with me. That is nice. It's so quiet. Little kangaroo. Hello. It's so cute, isn't it? Hello. Hello. Hello, Quokka. So, some people, Dutch, long time ago, when they come here, they said as they as rat, but it's actually little kangaroo. Look at his tail. So cute, isn't it? Hello. Hello, Quokka. How you doing, babe? Look at this crow or whatever. So many birds, so many animals here. It's Australia eventually, right? There's people making the selfie. Quokka. Yo, what's up? You see?